Hey HealthQuest fam! Ever wonder why so many people try to lose fat, but just end up back where they started? You put in the effort, you cut back, but the scale just won't budge. What if I told you the problem isn't just about eating less, but about eating smarter? The secret isn't starving yourself, it's fueling your body with the right foods that actually turn up your fat-burning furnace. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll reveal the top foods, backed by science, that will help you finally achieve your fat loss goals. So, let's get one thing straight. There's no magic pill for fat loss. It's a combination of a healthy diet, regular exercise, good sleep, and managing stress. But the food you eat plays a massive role. Some foods can boost your metabolism, help you feel fuller for longer, and even signal your body to burn more fat for energy. It's about working with your body, not against it. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind these superfoods and showing you exactly how to incorporate them into your daily meals. Let's get started. First up, we have eggs. Seriously, don't skip the yolks. Eggs are a powerhouse of high-quality protein and healthy fats. A breakfast with eggs can increase feelings of fullness and make you eat fewer calories throughout the day compared to a carb-heavy breakfast like a bagel. The protein in eggs also has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories just to digest it. So, start your day with a scramble, a veggie omelet, or a couple of hard-boiled eggs. It's a simple change that makes a huge difference. Next on our list are leafy greens. I'm talking about spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These are incredibly low in calories and carbs but packed with fiber. Why is fiber your best friend for fat loss? It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which helps prevent overeating. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall health and energy levels. Try adding a big handful of spinach to your morning smoothie, using kale as a base for your salad, or sauteing some chard with garlic as a side dish for dinner. Now let's talk about salmon. This fatty fish is rich in two incredible things: high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. The protein, as we know, keeps you full and boosts your metabolism. The omega-3s are anti-inflammatory and have been shown in some studies to help promote fat loss and reduce belly fat, especially when combined with exercise. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon per week. Grill it, bake it, or pan-sear it with some lemon and herbs. It's delicious and incredibly good for you. Moving on to number 4, cruciferous vegetables. This includes broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Like leafy greens, they're high in fiber and incredibly filling. But they also contain a good amount of protein compared to other vegetables. A combination of fiber, protein, and low energy density makes these vegetables perfect for any fat loss plan. Roast some broccoli and cauliflower with a little olive oil until they're crispy, or shred some cabbage for a delicious and crunchy slaw. Let's spice things up with chili peppers. The magic ingredient here is capsaicin, the compound that gives peppers their heat. Studies show that capsaicin can slightly boost your metabolism and increase fat burning. It can also reduce appetite, helping you consume fewer calories. Now, this effect isn't massive, so don't think eating a jalapeno will melt away pounds overnight. But adding a little spice to your meals can contribute to your overall efforts. Sprinkle some red pepper flakes on your pizza or add fresh chili to your stir-fry. Number 6 is a popular one, avocados. For a long time, people were scared of avocados because of their fat content. But we now know they're packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, the same kind you find in olive oil. These fats are incredibly satisfying and can help reduce appetite. Avocados are also high in fiber and water, adding to their satiating effect. Add 1/4 of an avocado to your salad. Spread it on whole grain toast instead of butter, or blend it into a smoothie for a creamy texture. Next, we have Greek yogurt. Full-fat Greek yogurt, specifically, is a fantastic choice. It's loaded with protein and probiotics. The protein helps preserve muscle mass while you're losing fat and keeps you feeling full. The probiotics are great for your gut health, and a healthy gut microbiome is increasingly being linked to better weight management. Just make sure you choose plain Greek yogurt to avoid the massive amounts of added sugar in flavored versions. Add some berries and nuts for a perfect breakfast or snack. Let's talk about a great source of complex carbs, oats. Oats are loaded with a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which is amazing for making you feel full and satisfied. It forms a gel-like substance in your gut, slowing down digestion and the absorption of carbs. which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent cravings. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning is a fantastic way to start your day. Just stick to rolled or steel-cut oats, not the instant packets with added sugar. For our 9 food, we have nuts, almonds, walnuts, you name it. Despite being high in fat and calories, nuts are incredibly nutritious and can be part of a healthy fat loss diet. They provide a balanced amount of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which helps with satiety. Studies show that people who regularly eat nuts tend to be healthier and leaner. The key is portion control. A small handful, about 1 ounce, is a perfect snack to tide you over between meals. Let's not forget about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they're your sweet treat solution. They're relatively low in sugar compared to other fruits but high in fiber and antioxidants. Their sweetness can satisfy your sugar cravings without derailing your diet. Add them to your Greek yogurt, oatmeal, or just enjoy a bowl of mixed berries for dessert. They're nature's candy, and they are on your team. Finally, green tea. This isn't a food, but it's a powerful fat loss beverage. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, particularly one called EGCG, which has been shown to temporarily boost metabolism. It also contains a small amount of caffeine, which can enhance exercise performance. Swapping your sugary sodas or juices for a cup of green tea is a simple but effective strategy. Enjoy it hot or iced throughout the day. So there you have it, a whole list of delicious and powerful foods that can help you on your fat loss journey. Remember, the key is consistency, not perfection. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be better than you were yesterday. Focus on adding more of these nutrient-dense foods to your plate, stay active, and be patient with yourself. You're building a healthier lifestyle, and that's a marathon, not a sprint. You've got this. If you found this video helpful and want more science-based health and fitness tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Health Quest. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these foods is your favorite, or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.